guys, it's Sandy. Welcome back to Cute Polish. In today's video, we're going to be talking about common mistakes that people make when using glitter polish on their nails. Guys, we're going to show you how to take a sparse looking glitter nail and turn it into a stunning opaque glitter nail. So here are the top 5 mistakes and how to fix them.
Hey, it's Julie. Let's get started with the video. The first mistake you might be making when applying glitter polish is using an old sparse glitter. With time, polishes goop up and thick glitter polish will be hard to work with, and a sparse glitter polish will take forever to build up. So, choose a glitter polish that has tons of glitter and is workable. When you pull the brush out of the polish, it should be covered with glitter without having to do a lot of fishing. The next common mistake is not using a peel-off base coat. We've all been there, struggling to remove glitter from your nails with just a cotton ball and remover, but if you start with a peel-off base coat, when it comes time, removal is a breeze. I like to soak my hands in warm water or apply cuticle oil and then just peel it off. And ta-da! That was way less work than using a cotton ball and nail polish remover. This next mistake makes a huge difference. Instead of painting the glitter polish onto your nails like a normal colored polish, which will leave you with a sparse, sort of glittery mani, use a cosmetic sponge. Applying the glitter to the sponge allows it to absorb a lot of the clear base the glitter is in so that your nail doesn't build up. Just sponge on the glitter for a nice, even coat. You might need to do a couple passes to get complete coverage, but that's a lot less than if you were to paint it on regularly. The next common mistake is forgetting a skin barrier. Glitter is notorious for being a pain to remove from your skin, so skip the hassle and apply liquid latex around your nails, or you can use a peel-off barrier. Then, after you've applied your glitter, just peel away the barrier for minimal, if any, mess. And lastly, don't even think about skipping top coat. Glitter is rough and you'll be left with a bumpy manicure that could get hung up on things if you don't seal it in. Use a thick, glossy top coat to seal in the glitter and add a nice, smooth surface. So there you have tips for fixing the common mistakes when applying glitter. If you'd like to watch more helpful Cute Polish videos, you can click on these boxes and click on the circle to subscribe for a new Cute Polish video every week. If you'd like to check out my personal nail channel, you can click on the circle here.